Kanti ke lo msebenzi wekubuka umntwana lwenfambatana kwakuthi engabe angaphila kanjani ukuze kusinaye abe ngilomnyelo lophumelela kwempilweni bokathuba nje lapha eGeorge Hotel iTolo. Kanti lo msebenzi wasukunyiswa nguye lapha eGeneral Commissioner lokungema ke iphindile wakadlamene asabeke inkulumo yakhe iTolo ubeke kanjena.
This assignment was embedded in my heart after observing the imbalances in society when it comes to women leaders as well as grooming the girl child into becoming future leaders. The patriarchal nature of our society has played a role in limiting the growth of women leaders as they have to balance multiple roles in society, such as being a wife, a mother, a career woman, and a leader. These challenges are rising each and every day. And we have all been witnesses of the escalating numbers of gender-based violence.
It is quite a great honor to stand in such a prestigious and aesthetic ladies, and this is such a wonderful event to empower females. We do need such events to empower the girl child and make them shining stars around the globe. I'd like to say one thing to you ladies in here. The future depends on how you think, not where you are from, and how you think and where you're from. And some friends, ladies, can be useless. Hence, you need to fix your mentality up here.
Translated, it says, I see you. So what I would like us to do this evening is to look at the person on your left and on your right and say, Sawubona. And this is so important for us, especially as women, to see.
Kanti lo msebenzi bokathe ungenela abantwana abaqhamuke esikoleni letehlukahlukene. Etintsabeni channel maswati ngijustice wakadlameni ngamanzini.